This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want speed? Wash the apple, then use a sharp paring knife to score a shallow, continuous ring around the equator about 1/8 inch deep. This creates a weak line for the skin. While you do that, bring 1 to 2 liters of water to a rolling boil and prepare an ice bath. This first step sets up the skin to separate cleanly. Once done, you'll move straight into thermal shock to loosen the peel efficiently and with minimal waste. You now blanch. Drop the scored apple into boiling water for 20 to 30 seconds, long enough to loosen the epidermis but short enough to avoid cooking flesh. Immediately transfer the fruit to the ice bath for 30 to 45 seconds to stop heat transfer. This thermal shock separates skin from flesh. Once cooled, use your thumb or a paring knife at the scored line and gently push. The skin should slide off in a single unripped tube. If not, repeat briefly. Now peel. Insert your thumb under the scored seam and slide the skin off in one continuous motion, rotating the apple as you go to keep it smooth. Trim any small residual bits with the paring knife, then core or slice for your recipe. If the skin tears or sticks, don't force it. Resubmerge the apple 10 to 15 seconds in boiling water and shock again. That restores the separation. Make sure to work quickly to keep texture intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.